children, today we are going to start with chapter 20, that is the power of community. So, in this chapter, I will tell you about the community, how to understand. Now, in this chapter, I will tell you about the communities and different types of communities, how communities solve problem together. देखो कैसे हम आप community दूसरे के साथ मिलकर अपनी problems को solve करते हैं, community leadership and participation. So let's understand about the communities. So community क्या है? It is more than just a group of people living in a same place. ये क्या होता है? Group of people जब एक साथ रहते हैं and it's a network of individuals that is connected by their shared values, interest or goal. These connection can be based on geographic, culture, region or even common activities. So communities what they provide a support system. ये एक support system provide करती हैं ensuring that the members are not isolated. They help individual to face challenges. They celebrate achievements and what they do, they preserve important tradition. For example, a village, the entire community might come together during the harvest season to help each other. And what they do, they create bonds of trust and cooperation that strengthen over time. You may have seen on television and witnessed in our neighborhood how people united to help each other during COVID-19 pandemic. So जो communities हैं these are not just physical, they can also be virtual. भाई online group के through आप common hobbies को causes को अपने क्या कर सकते हो share कर सकते हो. देखो पहले एंशियंट टाइम में ग्राम सभा होती थी जब लोग आके सब बैठते थे अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स को रिजॉल्व करते थे. नाउ टाइप्स ऑफ कम्युनिटीज वी हैव फर्स्ट लोकल कम्युनिटीज. सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे लोकल कम्युनिटीज की. लोकल कम्युनिटीज व्हाट आर लोकल कम्युनिटीज? दे आर फॉर्म्ड बाय द पीपल लिविंग इन अ सेम जोग्राफिक एरिया. जो एक ही जोग्राफिकल एरियाज में होते हैं जैसे आपके नेबरहुड हो गए, विलेज हो गए, टाउन हो गए. एंड व्हाट दे डू, दे एड्रेस लोकल इशू जैसे क्लीनिनेस, सेफ्टी, डेवलपमेंट. So our neighborhood association it might organize a cleanup drive. एक cleanup drive organize करते हैं और festive, fostering a sense of responsibility and belonging in the rural areas. तो जो local communities होती हैं they often revolve around agriculture practice. Why जो urban communities होती हैं वो किस पे focus करती हैं? Infrastructure और social welfare पे. फिर आती है आपकी cultural communities. It revolve around shared tradition, language and custom. What they do? They preserve What they do, they preserve cultural heritage, pass it down through the generation. जैसे अब बंगाली कम्युनिटी है, they celebrate दुर्गा पूजा, showcasing their art, music and traditional practices. उसके बाद हम बात करते हैं रीजनल कम्युनिटी. ठीक, जैसे आपकी नॉर्दर्न कम्युनिटीज हो गई जो आपके किस में इम्फेसाइज करती हैं जितने भी उनके फेस्टिवल है, रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल है, दिवाली, होली, बैसाखी, राइट. एंड देन वी हैव ईस्टर कम्युनिटीज जो आपके वाइब्रेंट्स कलर्स ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन, दुर्गा पूजा जो वेस्ट बंगाल में होता है, बिहू असम में. व्हाट दे डू, दे प्रिजर्व देयर एग्रीकल्चर हेरिटेज. देन वी हैव वेस्टर्न कम्युनिटीज जो आपके से नवरात्रि हो गई गुजरात में, गणेश चतुर्थी हो गई महाराष्ट्र में. देन सदर्न कम्युनिटीज वो पोंगल इन तमिलनाडु, ओनम इन केरला. ये क्या इनके कल्चरल एग्रीकल्चर सिग्निफिकेंस को बताते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज वर्चुअल कम्युनिटीज. वर्चुअल कम्युनिटीज क्या होती हैं? So virtual communities connect people online, transcending geographical boundaries और ये common interest, goals और experience share करते हैं. They thrive on social media, forms messages, platform. वो global collaboration support करते हैं. They focuses on various topics. क्या क्या होते हैं वो topics उनके education and hobbies to social causes, enabling knowledge sharing, support across diverse background. और ये फॉर्म होते हैं थ्रू ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म जिसमें आपके forums और social media होते हैं like Facebook, WhatsApp and Instagram. Interconnectedness of the communities. The different types of communities often overlap. What they create a rich tapestry of social connection. कि सब क्या एक दूसरे से connected हो. So for a person might belong to local community in their village, participate in the activities at the temple or mosques और वो अपने क्या कर रहे हैं culture traditions को follow कर रहे हैं. Like local and cultural communities, virtual communities build relationship and they offer support but in a digital space. So what they do, they enrich modern social interaction and what they are doing, they're extending community bonds beyond physical boundaries and what they allowing individual to engage globally while preserving their local culture. वो क्या कर रहे हैं अपने लोकल कल्चर को प्रिजर्व कर रहे हैं. नाउ रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी विद इन अ कम्युनिटी. क्या हमारे रोल्स होने चाहिए, क्या हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज होनी चाहिए. सो अ वेल फंक्शनिंग कम्युनिटी relies on the active participation of its member. Each individual has a role to play and their contribution ensures community success and harmony. So leaders within the communities, जो भी leaders within the community वो guide करते हैं, inspire करते हैं और decision करते हैं benefit, and members on the other hand what they contribute by? They contribute by participating in activities sharing resource. So in rural areas, community member might take turn maintaining shared well, ensuring that everyone has access to clean water. भी सबको clean साफ सुथरा पानी मिलना चाहिए. And in urban setting, community members might work together to solve local issue like waste management, neighborhood security. और जो roles होते हैं ये इनके rigid होते हैं, right? Because they evolve based on community needs and the skills of its members. Everyone has a part to play and their combined efforts create a strong and resilient community. So how communities solve problem together? Community कैसे problem को solve करते एक साथ आके? Communities often face challenges that require collective actions. So whether it is natural disaster or social issue and economic leadership, the strength of the community lies in the ability to come together and find solution. ये जो process है typically begins with identifying the problem and discussing possible solution. Member contribute ideas and roles and they are assigned based on the skills and resources. ये किस पे based होता है? Skills और resources पे. And we have a Bhil community that is in Jhaua, Madhya Pradesh. They face severe drought. Instead of waiting for external help, what they did? They followed their tradition of halma, मतलब to plant trees and build water conservation structures. Not only solve their water crisis, लेकिन इन्होंने क्या करा? अपने community bonds को भी क्या करा? Strength करा. Now, community leadership and participation. So, strong leadership is essential for every community. Leader guide the community and they make important decisions and what they ensure that everyone voice is heard. हर एक की आवाज क्या कही जाएगी? सुनी जाएगी. So, effective leadership inspire other and create an environment where everyone feels valued and they are motivated. भाई अगर वो motivate होंगे तो अपने क्या करेंगे? Contribute करेंगे. So participation is equally important. So community thrives when its members are actively involved, taking responsibility of their role और वो एक दूसरे को support भी कर रहे हैं. तभी क्या करेंगे लोग? Participate करेंगे. तो जैसे यहाँ पे case study दी हुई है सेवा that is self-employed women association जो गुजरात का है. एला भट्ट founded Seva in 1972 and what it is doing to support poor, self-employed, women working in informal sector, जैसे street vending, home-based worker, agriculture, labor. ये organization, the organization mission is to improve their employment condition while providing service such as health care, child care and housing. Case study 2 दी हुई यहाँ पे वंधन विकास योजना for tribal communities and it was launched in 2018. 2018 में लॉन्च हुई थी. इसका एम क्या था? टू इम्प्रूव द लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड एंड लाइवलीहुड ऑफ द ट्राइबल कम्युनिटीज. और ये क्या प्रमोट करता है? इट इज प्रोमोटिंग एडवाइस फॉरेस्ट बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट, राइट. और यहाँ पे केंद्र भी बने हैं जो ट्रेनिंग देते हैं ट्राइबल हेल्थ सेल्फ ग्रुप को एंड मार्केटिंग ऑफ माइनर फॉरेस्ट. द प्रोग्राम फोकसेस ऑन यूटिलाइजिंग लैंड रिसोर्स और ये क्या इंश्योर कर रहा है? इन्वायरमेंटल सस्टेनेबिलिटी को, राइट. एंड इट इज ऑल्सो इम्प्रूविंग द financial condition of the tribal communities. So communities चाहे वो local हो, religious हो, culture हो, virtual हो, these all are the backbone of the social lives. And what they are doing? They are connected individual through shared values and they foster belonging, collaboration, mutual support. In today's world, virtual communities expand these connections and what these are enriching? They are enriching our interaction across the boundary. हम किसने engage कर रहे हैं? With our communities and we are building strong social bond and create resilient society. So this was all in our chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.